If you own a 2025 or newer Polaris Slingshot, you already know Polaris completely redesigned the exhaust this year, moving it outside the body panel to cut down on cabin heat. It's a smart change, but the factory exhaust still leaves a lot on the table when it comes to sound and personality. That's where Thermal R&D comes in. The entire system is finished in a black ceramic coating, giving it a clean, stealthy look while also helping reduce radiant heat. You'll also have your choice between a matching ceramic-coated tip or an upgraded carbon fiber tip, depending on the look you're going for. Now let's walk you through the installation process on our 2025 Polaris Slingshot. Before you begin, make sure your Slingshot is on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. Allow your exhaust adequate time to cool before starting this installation. Starting at the back of the Slingshot, on the passenger side, remove these 3 push pins. Then, gently pull the panel away from the body to release it from the surrounding tabs and set it aside for now. Next, move up to the rear passenger side body panel area and remove these screws securing the vertical trim section with a T40 Torx. Move the passenger seat forward and open the rear storage compartment to remove this screw with a T40 Torx. Then, remove the screw behind the seat. Underneath the seatbelt area, in front and to the right of the seat, underneath the glove box, and on the outside of the vehicle underneath the fender. Then, use a push-pin removal tool to remove this push-pin on the frame near the seat. Now you can open your hood and disconnect this clip securing the hood release cable. With your T40 Torx, remove these 5 screws so you can carefully remove the whole side body panel. On the underside of the vehicle, using a flathead screwdriver, remove this hose clamp. Then, with a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove this screw. The factory hardware will be reused. Then, with a 10mm socket, remove this screw here on top of the heat shield. And with a 10mm wrench, remove the 2 screws securing the OE exhaust hanger. Then, remove the hanger and heat shield from the vehicle. With a spring puller tool, remove the 4 springs holding the muffler in place. They will be reused. Then, you can remove it from the vehicle. Once your OE muffler has been removed, reattach the uppermost spring in place to have one quickly on hand to help attach your new thermal muffler. Position the new thermal front exit exhaust into the factory location, inserting the exhaust hanger and lining up the inlet with the factory catalytic converter connection. Then, reinstall the 4 factory springs, starting with the one you pre-mounted. Reposition the heat shield over the muffler and reinstall the factory exhaust hanger with the factory hardware, leaving it finger-tight to start. Then, tighten it down with a 10mm wrench. Align the heat shield with the third mounting point on the frame. Then, reinstall the third screw with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Next, reinstall the screw in the heat shield on the underside of the vehicle finger tight, followed by the hose clamp. Fully tighten the hose clamp with a flathead screwdriver. Then, tighten the screw with a 10mm socket. At this point, you can now reinstall the side body panels using the factory fasteners in the reverse order you removed them. To install your new exhaust tip, simply slide the included clamp through the hole in the vehicle's body panel and onto your new muffler. Then, slide your exhaust tip into the other half of the clamp. Make your preferred adjustments to alignment before tightening the nuts on the clamp down fully with a 15mm socket. If you opted for the carbon fiber tip upgrade, simply add the clamp, then the adapter, and lastly, the carbon fiber tip until it's seated fully at the proper depth. Once you've confirmed the carbon fiber tip depth, remove the adapter and tighten the tip down all the way with a 15mm wrench. Again, properly align it to your preference before tightening the clamp bolts down the rest of the way with a 15mm socket. If a Thermal R&D front exit exhaust system is right for you, head over to SlingMods.com or click the link below to pick up one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.